My name is Ivars. I'm an MEP from Latvia, and this is really a great pleasure for me to host this event on research integrity in open science for Europe, especially because, first of all, I'm the vice chair of the STOA panel. The STOA panel is all-partisan forum of exchange in the European Parliament where we discuss different kinds of options of development of science and technology. And in that regard, of course, we have been dealing a lot during these last 4.5 years of this convocation of the European Parliament with the technological side of scientific research. How do we, stop lagging behind to Americans and Chinese? We have been dealing much less with, if you want, ethical and normative aspects of scientific research. And in that sense, I'm really thankful to Signe, who invited me to have this event here in the European Parliament, and hopefully you will really get some benefit out of it. We all know why is open science important for EU. Open science is one of the main drivers of innovation. Open science strengthens the public trust. We have been experiencing a lot of, trust-related issues during the COVID era, during the last 3 and 4 years. Open science also improves research quality and efficiency, and I think that in today's panel we will be hearing a lot about this issue. At the same time, of course, there are quite a few challenges of how do we introduce those principles and whether we introduce those principles of open science. For example, of course, EU is a regulatory superpower, as we call this organization, and this is very often a challenge to our open science initiatives, because privacy regulations such as GDPR or protection of intellectual property and trade secrets can sometimes appear to conflict with the open science practices. Also, the issue of premature disclosure, also exploitation of open data. We all know what challenges are imposed right now by the rapid development of large language models and artificial intelligence in general. And of course, I think that the question that should be asked in today's event is, of course, what kind of policies and structures can be put in place to make sure open science is aligned with ethics.